what I got from Don Quijote from Japan. Yay! Okay. Let's open this one first. You want this one?
I like pink.
Okay.
What is this?
It's a magnet.
I like
Yay! Who is that? Chocolate inside that Kuromi? That's Kuromi. I don't know. Okay, this is foot patch. Next, what's that?
Eyelashes.
Wait, this is not the eyelashes.
Oh.
This is nails.
Yeah, it's my nails. Okay, next. Magnet. A fridge magnet.
It's a red
Okay.
magnet.
That one is for Mama.
Yay!
This is a lipstick. Another fridge magnet. Pick one.
You choose.
I want this.
Okay, I want you put it in the fridge, huh? Okay, next. That's for the nose.
Oh,
If you have tiny nose.
Look at the nice na. Ano sa ilong?
Next, what's that? A lip scrub for me. One for your Mark. One is mine. Spicy.
Ano sa ilong?
Kanang
This chocolate are
okay.
Unsa oras mo mo ato umuwa na rin. Replyan sa kanang naman kay imo ka manisa. Nanong dito mamahaw.
Mga
7.
11.
Ato mo.
Okay, next.
Listen.
In this bag, we have different flavors of KitKat. This is Mount Fuji flavor. You want that?
Mazoom ni
I
siya lang.
have.
Ma, pwede ko kanin?
Yeah. Not now, not now.
Wow, you have 3. Another one is choco pie.
Wow.
Chocolate pie.
I like chocolate pie.
Next is a sake flavor KitKat.
Wow.
Next, you have Ojicha. It's a green tea. And then matcha KitKat. You have a lot.
I just like these.
Oh, okay, that's mine. Okay, next bag.
Look, I want this. Wait, I want this one.
Okay, you open it.
Strawberry.
What is it? What's that? Candy.
No, I don't.
Cola candy. Next. Another matcha KitKat. Yay. This one is matcha milk. What about this one?
I want that.
This one is a cherry blossom KitKat flavor. Here, you have 1, 2, count. 2, 3, 4.
That's other
Yay! Next, royal milk tea.
Wait, I like that.
Oh, sagulan na. Next is another KitKat.
What is this?
KitKat
Wait, I know KitKat.
matcha. Another matcha. Another matcha milk. Another candy. Cola candy. And then, what's that? Milk tea. Okay, that one. Let's open this one.
It's heavy.
Sa kagabi, sa kagabi.
Mama,
What time ang breakfast diha?
7.
7 a.m. Maligo po.
Pagumanan sa vlog.
Wala pa ganun kanan?
Dito. Magkuha ko ako ah. Lyexen, help me.
Ang akin nga rin. Ano naman yun? Yan ang kirome. Wow! Thank you, uy.
Thank you.
Wow, kati mo rin kami.
Dali!
Dali na yun.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're not yet done.
Nag-discount ka.
First lot?
Uy, doon na.
Ikaw no. Ay,
Lolo, what do you want?
Yan ang
Okay.
nagkakura yan.
what? No, what?
Okay, next flavor, Lyexen. We have milk tea kitkat. We have another matcha with chocolate kitkat. Nakita ko? Matcha with chocolate, milk tea kitkat, milk tea kitkat,
That's the shagkuan.
chocolate again with matcha. This one is for me. This is for my throat during winter because it gets dry. Oh, you will like this. Surprise. Whoa! Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open, give me your hand.
Wow!
Strawberry. Okay, another one. Another one.
Wow, sarap. Close your eyes.
Open.
Wow, what is this?
Chocolate. 10. Okay, another matcha milk again.
Ginitra. Sabi niya ko naman ice.
This one is salon. Or for me. My bag. Okay, last bag. Last 2 bags.
Hey, there's last one. Here.
Not yet. This one first.
Lang sugata lang daw kuno siya sa information.
Lyexen, look at this. Close your eyes.
Pagkain po baga.
Close your eyes, Lyexen. Don't open, ha? Don't open, ha? Okay, give me your hand. Wow!
Wow!
What a big chocolate. No. Another choco pie. Okay, last bag. This is for the hair. This is a hair mask.
Mas.
Para straight.
Tina.
I have, this is so popular in Japan. It's called Pino Premium Touch Hair Mask. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for Tita Mami.
Yay!
One for Mama.
Sa pagbutang, magligo.
Or,
Walang conditioner. One for me. One for Ate Kai and Ate Karen.
Wow.
Then one for Ate Saiki.
Wow.
Ina.